course, you got this for your friends. This is where you get served your friends. Y'all sit out here and drink. And then over there, you got a full generator. Got a green space over there. And here's the back of the house. Matter of fact, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see that they're enjoying themselves. Like I said, we broke the group up into spaces so they can come check it out themselves. And they may not have noticed, but this is the pool heater over here, so inside of there. And then there's an outdoor shower here. So if you want to do an outdoor shower, you can do it right here. And if you haven't done one, I'm just telling you, it's nice. Very nice. So this is what it is. See that angle right there?
And you know what I like too is how they manicure the properties.
Mm-hmm.
I like everything. They just do a lot.
Yeah.
And for people at home, they just don't get it. Like.
But they're gonna get it because they're listening to you right now.
No, they're not. Oh. No, they're not.
Nah, it just is what it is.
It's beautiful. They just everything, the decor, the design, the structure, the architecture.
Mm-hmm.
It's like goodness.
Yeah, next level. Next level. All right, guys, we're gonna. The guys are here. We're gonna show you this nice, amazing property as well. We had to break the groups down, so they're at 2 other different locations, but we're here at this particular house. Let me back up. Let me walk back this way. So this is how you go out your gate. It's electronic. You hit a button somewhere and it opens for you. And it has he built a garage here as well. And then, so this house is roughly about 10 million Rand. I can't just do the math. 16 divide that by 16.5, somewhere there and abouts, and that's that. So yeah, but everything is pretty much done up for you. It's ready for you.